Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Today's topic box multiplication. Objectives to construct the meaning of box multiplication method using pictorial representation and written form. To generate the algorithms to solve multiplication problems with two-digit numbers. Open page number 129. Let's see the conversation between Riya and Dhruv. I want to know how many chocolates I will eat if I eat 12 chocolates 5 times. Use tables to find out. But I have not learned the table of 12. You can use box multiplication to find it out. Multiplication. Do you remember splitting a number or using the expanded form of numbers? Let us do it in some simple steps. Step 1. We want to find out 5 times 12 or 5 multiplied by 12. Step 2. Break 12 as 10 plus 2. Here we have break 12 in tens and ones. So here 10 plus 2. Step 3. Find out 5 multiplied by 2. Here we have to multiply this 5 with these two ones. So 5 times 2 means 10. Step 4. Find out 5 multiplied by 10. Here multiply this 5 with this 10. So 5 tens are 50. Step 5. Add the answers you get from steps 3 and 4. It means add 50 and 10. So here we got the answer 60. We will see how did we multiply a big number such as 12 5 times. First, we break 12 as 10 plus 2. Then we multiplied 5 with 2 ones. Then we multiplied 5 with 10. At the last, we have added 50 plus 10 and we got the answer 60. Children, think, is 5 times 10 more than 5 times 2? Yes, 5 times 10 is more than 5 times 2 because 5 times 10 means 50 and 5 times 2 means 10. So 50 is more than 10. Children, open page number 131 and solve this page with me in your maths textbook. Solve the following questions. Question B. 13 multiplied by 3. Here we have to find out the answer of 13 multiplied by 3. So first, break 13 in tens and ones. Then multiply this 3 with these 3 ones. So say 3 is table till 3. 3 3s are 9. Then multiply by this 3 with 10. 3 tens are 30. And then add this 30 and this 9. So 30 plus 9 is 39. Next is we have to find out 16 2 times. So 16 is 10 plus 6. Then multiply this 2 with these 6 ones. 2 6 are 12. And then multiply this 2 with 10. 2 tens are 20. Now add this 12 Then add this 20 and 12. So 20 plus 12. Now children, in rough you can do here addition, or in your notebook also you can do the addition. So 20 plus 12 is equal to 32. Next is 11 multiplied by 2. So multiply this 2 with this 1. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 20. Then add 20 plus 2, 22. So in this way, solve question number E and F in your maths textbook. Page number 132 is for homework. Children, open page number 133. Solve the following using the box multiplication method in your notebook. Children, all these questions from this page number you have to solve in your maths notebook. The first one, if there are 3 rows of 13 children, each in a playground, how many children are there in all? So here we have to find out the multiplication between 13 and 3. First, break this 13 in tens and ones. 13 means 10 plus 3. Then multiply this 3 with these 3 ones. 3 threes are 9, and then 3 tens are 30, and then add 30 plus 9. Children, you can do this here and then write the answer. So 13 plus 9 is 39. Question number 2. A tray has 6 rows. There are a dozen eggs in each row. Children, here a dozen means 12 and half a dozen means 6. Find out the total number of eggs in the tray. We have to find out the multiplication of 12 and 6, or 12 sixths are how much. So break this 12. We have to find out the multiplication of 12 and 6, or 12 sixths are how much. So break this 12 in tens and ones. So it will come 10 plus 2. Then multiply this 6 with 2 ones. 6 twos are 12 and 6 tens are 60. Now add this 60 and this 12. So answer is 72. See question number 3. A gardener plants 4 rows with 10 saplings each. Children, sapling means young tree. How many saplings does he plant in all? Here we have to find out the answer of 10 multiplied by 4. So break this 10 in tens and ones. So it will come 10 plus 0, because here is no ones. Then multiply this 4 with 0. Whenever we multiply any number with 0 or 0 with any number, we get the answer 0. Then multiply this 4 with 10. 4 tens are 40, and then 40 plus 0, 40. Children, solve these remaining questions in your maths notebook. for question number 1, you need to write numbers from 20 to 20 and 100 and then follow the instructions. Page number 134 is for homework. The question is, work the problems as you travel through the maze. Maze means puzzle, and help the bird reach the grain. If your answer is an odd number, you may be doing the wrong way. So solve these all answers and then start moving from this. If you go through odd number, then your path is wrong. For example, 8 3s are 24 and 7 7s are 49. So if you start moving from here, so 49 is an odd number, then maybe your way is wrong. You have to go through only even numbers and in this way reach here. Page number 135, doubling. By now you have learned multiplication tables well. Solve the following problems using your learning.
Usha lived in a small village near a dense forest. One day, when she was going to collect wood from the forest, she found a basket laying near an old banyan tree. She thought that the basket would be useful for her. She placed the orange she had brought along for lunch in that basket and began her work. In the afternoon, she felt hungry. She reached out to the basket and to her surprise, she found that the basket now had 2 oranges. She took those oranges out but thought that she should wash her hands first. So, she kept the 2 oranges back in the basket and went to wash her hands. When she came back, she saw that there were 4 oranges in the basket. She was astonished. Astonished means greatly surprised.
Children, let's see what was happening in the story. Usha found a basket in the forest. She placed 1 orange in the basket and began her work. In the afternoon, she found 2 oranges in the basket. Then she went for hand wash. She came back. She found 4 oranges in the basket. Usha was surprised because she saw 4 oranges in the basket. How was the number of oranges in the basket increasing? Right here 1, 2 and then 4. If we observe this carefully, each time the number gets double. Explore the pattern hidden in these numbers. Oranges kept in 1. So 1 plus 1 means 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then oranges kept in basket 2. 2 plus 2 means 2 times 2, 4. 3. 3 plus 3 means 2 times 3 is 6. 4. 4 plus 4, 2 times 4 means 8. Now this is addition fact and this is multiplication fact. The basket added the same number of oranges as the number of oranges placed in it earlier. This double the number of atoms or oranges. Children, find the doubles for the following numbers. Few examples have been done for you and then complete this.